Hello everyone. Well, we've got a rain chance throughout the day today in the region, but I think the best chance is going to be as a cold front works over us. So let's time things out for you. Starting at 8 a.m. this morning already. For the morning commute, do have to mention the chance for some isolated showers. This as a warm front finishes working over us. I know I just mentioned that a cold front is coming in late this afternoon, but this morning it's a warm front that is just barely going to clear us, and then it's going to stall out to the north, and then the cold front is going to come in. So unfortunately, we're not going to get the benefits of this warm front for long. So for the morning commute, looks like the best chance of rain is going to be in the northern part of the region. Less likely that you're going to encounter rain the farther south you live, but do need to mention the chance. So it's not a guarantee. These are isolated showers. Do need to mention the chance for the morning commute. And then the warm front is going to clear us. Look at the activity pushing off to the north. Now we're looking at 11 a.m. and look at temperatures on the rise, trying to warm up behind the warm front. Because this warm front is going to be stalling out though, just to our north, I don't want to take the rain chance out completely, though I think there'll be even less activity around lunchtime, especially in the northern part of the region. I do want to keep the chance in there for some stray rain showers to continue to scrape us. Let's jump ahead now to 2 o'clock and see how there's some stray showers still trying to show up. And look how in the southern part of the region, Newton and Jasper County, it looks like we're going to reach the low 60s this afternoon. And I think the model a little too cool in the northern part of the region. I bet a lot of us, even in the northern part of the region, Lake Porter and LaPorte County, are going to reach the mid 50s. And I think at the coolest, we're talking low 50s for highs. So I think the model underdoing the temperatures a little bit. And notice no cold front yet, but now let's jump ahead to 4 o'clock. And by 4 o'clock, I think the cold front will already be through Chicago. So look at the temperatures going down into the 40s. Meanwhile, in the region, still low 50s, upper 50s. And so beginning around 4 o'clock, I've got to bump up the rain chances a little bit. And I think the best opportunity is going to be as this cold front works over us. Unfortunately, homebound commute, 5, 6 o'clock. There might be a brief window where we have some scattered showers, maybe 1 or 2 thunderstorms. I'm not going to rule that out, especially if we're able to warm up into the upper 50s, low 60s this afternoon. So the farther south, I think the better chance for a thunderstorm to pop up as this cold front works over us. I do think it's mostly going to be shower activity along this front, but I'm not going to rule out a thunderstorm popping up. But not any severe storms. So the best opportunity of seeing rain about 5, 6 o'clock. And then also notice, keep an eye on temperatures now. Notice how they are coming down. 6 o'clock, the front will probably be right around Kentland, Rensselaer. And then by 7 o'clock, looks like the front clear of us. And so notice not as much green showing up. I'm still going to have to keep in for a few more hours. Chance for some stray showers. This often happens behind a cold front. There's usually a little area of low pressure behind these fronts that keeps the chance for a few rain showers going. Also, during the day today, and even along the front, not much wind, but behind the cold front, that's when it's going to get breezy. So beginning in the evening hours, a gust 20-25 miles per hour, and it looks like we are going to be staying breezy throughout the night. Rain chance coming to an end by 10 o'clock. So now let's jump ahead to tomorrow morning, and what temperatures are we going to be dealing with? Looks like we're going to be sitting in the low to mid 30s around 7 a.m., but still breezy. Gusts around 25 miles per hour. So when you're heading out the door tomorrow morning, look what it's actually going to be feeling like. It's going to be feeling like the mid 20s. So this is what you need to be dressed for early tomorrow morning as you're headed to work or school. So what about the afternoon? Well, fortunately, looking dry throughout the day. And I think we're going to be seeing decreasing cloud cover. So a mostly cloudy start to the day, but I think eventually skies are going to become mostly sunny. So most of the day, partly cloudy skies. And really all this cold front is doing is cooling us back down to normal for this time of year. Notice with winds out of the north, it's probably going to be coldest right next to the lake, only topping out low 40s. Looks like Hammond, Michigan City. Most of us probably reaching the mid 40s, but maybe in Kentland, still able to reach the upper 40s. Not having that influence of those chilly lake waters quite so much. Do have to say, though, for everyone, though I think the breeziest conditions will be in the morning, still staying on the breezy side even into the afternoon with gusts around 20 miles per hour.